Welcome to another video. So today we've got Madam Glam's April collection. I am a little bit late getting this video out, guys. I just want to apologise for that. I was really hoping my voice was going to be better by now. So the name of this collection is called Green Gaia. And the four that I have chosen is Blue Jay, Honeycomb. And this one is called Lotus Fever. Now this one is a no wipe top coat. And it's called Ocean Pearl. Look at that. So cute. So as you can see, we've got some beautiful spring colours in this collection. So I'm going to start off by swatching them first. So this one is called Lotus Fever. So if there's anyone out there that's never heard of Madam Glam before, Madam Glam gels are amazing quality, guys. They're all vegan, cruelty-free, 21-free formula, palm oil-free and hema-free. So they're pretty much good for anybody to use. That's a really nice light shade of pink. Blue Jay, I really like this. This is probably my favourite out of the four. It's a beautiful sky blue, isn't it? So not only are Madam Glam gels made from natural ingredients, but they're also highly opaque as well. Most of them are one coaters. Look at that for one coat. So pigmented. So this is Honeycomb. A really, really light pastel shade of yellow. Again, very, very opaque. All of these were one coaters. Now, I wasn't planning on talking a lot through this video, obviously with my voice being really bad, and all I seem to have done is talk the whole way through it so far. So I am going to try not to talk too much through this video, guys, but I will just pop in every now and then if I need to explain what I'm doing. So that's all the colours swatched. Now we're going to swatch the no wipe top coat. And like I said earlier, the name of this is Ocean Pearl. So that's what they look like all swatched. I have given them all a coat of the Madam Glam's no wipe shiny top coat, and then I've run along the bottom half with the Madam Glam's velvet matte top coat, just so you can see what they look like, both matte and shiny. So I've pulled the Eliana hand out today, and we're going to be working on her. I'm going to do a nice long gel polish set. So I'm going to start off by giving all four tips a coat of cream donut. So this is probably one of my favourite base colours. I will only show you me applying this to a couple of the nails, guys, because you don't need to see me applying it to all four tips. And I did end up doing 2 coats of this as well, just to make sure it was fully opaque. So that's cream donut applied to all 4 tips, and I've done 2 coats of that and cured it. Now I'm going in with honeycomb, and I'm just painting the free edge of this pointer fingernail. Then I'm using a sponge and I'm just dabbing that into that gel polish until it blends nicely into that base colour. Now because this yellow was so light, it was really hard to show you on camera. But I did end up doing another coat off camera of that just to make it a little bit more opaque. These blended so nicely as well. Like the pink and the yellow, I didn't show you me doing the pinks. It's exactly the same process. But the pink and the yellow, because they were so light, it was a lot easier to blend. And I thought I might struggle with this blue, with it being a little bit more opaque. But actually, I was really, really happy with how this blue turned out. They blended so well together. So that's what it looks like after they've all had 2 coats. Now I'm going in with the Ocean Pearl top coat, and I just want to apply that over the tips of them 3 nails, just over them colours that I've blended. Then I'm going to cure that in the lamp, and now I'm going to use the Madam Glam's No Wipe Shiny Top Coat, and I'm going to apply that to those 3 nails, but to the whole of the nails. I'm applying a nice generous layer of that just to get rid of any lumpy bumpiness, and then give them a cure for 30 seconds in the lamp. So now I'm going to take those 3 colours and I'm applying them to my palette, because we're going to be doing a little bit of nail art with these colours. I've also pulled out the Madam Glam's striping brush, really nice brush for nail art this is, and I want to paint just a little swirly line, not too thick, not too thin, just that kind of thickness. So I'm going to do the yellow swirly line on the yellow nail, pink on the pink, and then a blue swirly line on the blue nail. Now I've not cured that, because into that I'm sprinkling this gorgeous iridescent glitter. It's got like a purple UV shift to it. It's beautiful. It's really, really nice to sugar with it as well, because it's nice and fine. Now I've cured that, and I've given that a double cure. So I cured that for 2 minutes just to make sure it's cured through that glitter. Done another swirly line, but into this one I've sprinkled some clear acrylic powder, and that gives it that kind of embossed look. Now, I do like to do it a couple of times just to make sure it soaks up into that gel polish. Give that a double cure, so I've given that a 2-minute cure as well. So I'm going to do the exact same on the pink nail and the blue nail. So that's all the swirly lines done. Now I want to do some dotted flowers. These are the easiest flowers ever, guys. All they are is made up of dots. So I'm just doing 4 dots to create half a flower going up the side of that swirly line. And I'm just doing that going all the way down that swirly line. And then in the middle of that, I'm just doing another dot with a different colour just to do the middle of the flower. That is it. So easy. Cure those. Now I'm going in with the Madam Glam Velvet Matte Top Coat, and I'm just applying that to the ring fingernail, because I really want this nail to be matte. Then once I've applied it to the whole of that nail, I'm not going to cure that yet, because I am going to stick these 3D flowers into the uncured top coat. Now, if I was doing this on my nails, then I would have used gem glue to stick these flowers into. But because I'm just using my practice hand, I'm just going to stick them into the top coat today. Once I'm happy with them, I cured that for 30 seconds. Now, I've pulled out this Madam Glam frosting gel, and I'm using this as a gem glue because I think it's ideal as a gem glue. I've used it a couple of times on my nails, and my gems have stuck really well. And it cures with that tacky layer as well, so it's perfect for applying gems. So I'm just putting a little bit in the cuticles of the pointer finger, the middle fingernail, and the pinky nail. And then in the middle of those, I'm adding the corresponding coloured flowers. And then either side of those flowers, I'm just adding a couple of clear rhinestones. And then once I'm happy with all them crystals, I'll pop them in the lamp to cure for 60 seconds. And that'll be them all done. And then that is what they look like all finished, guys. I did add some caviar beads in the middle of them 3D flowers just to finish them flowers off. Should we take a look at the swatches again one more time? So that's all the swatches. That's what they look like with the Madam Glam's No Wipe Shiny Top Coat over the top and the Velvet Matte Top Coat on the bottom. They're really nice spring colours, aren't they? That Ocean Pearl is really unique as well. So that's everything for today's video, guys. Like I normally do, I'll leave the names to all of the products that I've used today in my description box below. I have got a massive 35% off discount code for Madam Glam as well, guys, which is GG35. I'll leave that pinned in my comments along with a link to the Madam Glam website. And right now, Madam Glam have got a massive site-wide sale on as well, where VIPs can save 55% off and non-VIPs can save up to 45% off. I'm not sure when that ends, so make sure you take advantage of that as soon as possible. You'll see I have added a picture on the screen now showing the details of that. So that's everything for today's video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give the video a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. And I hope to see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.